Welcome to our Engineering Technology Department Advisory Meeting. I am Nora Hayden, Program Coordinator and Associate Professor.
My name is Blake Perrett. I am the welding instructor and program coordinator.
My name is Nikki Brown. I am the program coordinator for the Manufacturing Technology Management program.
My name is Jason Chilman. I am currently an instructor in the engineering program.
We'd like to thank you for being part of our very first virtual advisory meeting. Okay, we'd like to go over the agenda. So the first thing we're going to talk about is what faculty are doing to keep students learning during the stay-at-home order, certification updates, equipment lab updates, other updates, including our nuts, bolts, and thingamajig camp and reverse job fair. So our stay-at-home order we received during the spring break. And on Monday, we actually had to turn all of our courses that were our traditional courses into virtual courses. So we have a system within Blackboard called Collaborate, which is very similar to your GoToMeeting, that we're able to hold virtual classroom settings with our students. We also use something called Kaltura, which is screen capturing software, and allows for students and instructors to be able to screen capture instructions or demonstrations to be able to post in Blackboard. So part of our student engagement that we did is allowing students not just to use your emails or typical discussion posts to communicate with one another, but to use Kaltura to be able to videotape if they were having any issues on assignments or something of that nature, and they could post those in the discussion post for other students to answer or instructors to answer, and it really gave a good engagement for students. Even though we were all virtual, we were still connected through this Collaborate and Kaltura environment in Blackboard.
The spring semester labs, the school is working on a tentative plan, as well as we are, for a select few students. Those are in need of completing the springtime labs. We're looking for a projection date of May 18th of when we can have these students come back. If we do get the green light for these students to come back, we will maintain safe practices and safe distances. We'll be following all of the COVID-19 protocols and procedures, as well as supply PPE to those that are in need of any safety equipment or any safety clothing.
Certification updates for fall 2020 is we have, as part of our program review, we were given a task to incorporate national certifications within our courses where it's appropriate. So starting fall of 2020, we will include the AutoCAD Certified User Exam as part of our CAD 1101 course. Our Autodesk Inventor Certified User is part of our CAD 2100 course, and our Certified SolidWorks Associates certification as part of our CAD 2200 courses. So students that are involved in the certificate or associate's degree for the computer-aided design course will be part of this opportunity to be able to take these certification exams.
In the Manufacturing Technology Management program, we're currently finishing up MTM 3400 OSHA 30-hour General Industry certification, which is the first of 3 certifications within the program. The other 2 are yellow belt and green belt.
With the welding program, we will be starting the industry certificate, the American Welding Society Sense Level 1 certificate in the fall semester of this year. It is a stackable credential, so not only students earn the industry credential that is highly recommended in the field of work, but also they earn a Clark State certificate that is stackable for other programs and degrees.
In the engineering side, we are currently developing certified production technician certificate programs to align with the certified production technician certification through MSSC. The goal with this being to provide a broad base of entry-level training, not only in just machine operation, safety practices, and programming, but rather multiple manufacturing processes, including a very good baseline understanding of management hierarchy, proper plant procedure, to prepare students for entry into the bachelor's degree program.
Equipment and lab updates for our engineering technology program. As part of the Perkins grant, we were able to purchase 2 new Allen Bradley compact logic PLC trainers that'll be incorporated into our PLC course. So students will still continue to learn PLC programming on our other versions of our PLCs, but now they have the opportunity to work on the compact logics. As part of the Rapids 4 grant, which is the current grant, we are going to be purchasing 2 Motoman robotic welding work cells that hopefully by fall of 2020 we'll be able to incorporate into our robotic certification and our robotic welding course.
For the Manufacturing Technology Management Program, last year we were able to purchase the Ciro software and Vive virtual reality headsets with a Rapids grant. The Ciro software is an integrative virtual reality program that allows students to experience the production of automated work cells and then manage the quality and troubleshoot the PLCs within that program. This year we upgraded the systems by purchasing 6 to 7 new external graphic cards to support the virtual reality side of the software, and an additional 14 tripods to also support that hardware.
And other updates are Nuts, Bolts, and Thingamajig Camp that was originally scheduled for the first week of June has been postponed. We are looking at possibly adding it to the first week of August, or even a virtual option for sometime over the summer. Our reverse job fair for this spring advisory committee meeting has obviously been canceled, but we do plan on doing the reverse job fair in our 2021 spring advisory committee. We would appreciate your feedback in the email that has this video. There's an engineering technology advisory meeting survey. It will only take about 10 minutes of your time. So we would appreciate if you were able to fill that out for us. And I appreciate the time that you have taken to listen to our video. Thank you and have a great day.